The cough syrup probe update. There has been a development with the owner of the Shrisen Pharmaceuticals, who's the maker of the Coldriff cough syrup, has now been arrested in connection with the deaths of at least 21 children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. More children, unfortunately, have died after having this lethal or this toxic cough syrup. Now, this cough syrup that was found to be containing dangerous levels of toxic chemicals, that is the D-ethylene glycol. Now, what is being said by the police that the owner, Ranganathan, was arrested in Chennai and is now being taken to Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara, where most of these deaths of the children have been reported. His medical examination is set to take place in Chennai before he is formally transferred, and search operations and legal actions are also expected to continue.
SIT जो यहाँ से गई थी छिंदवाड़ा से, उसके द्वारा जो श्रीशान फार्मास्यूटिकल्स के जो मालिक हैं रंगराजन, उनको जो है लेट नाइट उनको जो है राउंड अप किया गया और उनकी अरेस्टिंग की गई है। अब जो प्रक्रिया है उसके आगे के उनका मेडिकल और बाकी की जो कार्रवाई है वो चेन्नई से करके उनको फिर यहाँ लाया जाएगा।
Dharni, how are we looking at the legal proceedings from here on with the arrest that has now taken place and the transfer from one state police to the other state police is expected to happen?
Well, in fact, right now we are reporting from Sunguva, Chatram and Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu. This is the primary manufacturing unit of Shrisen Pharma company. In fact, outside this manufacturing unit, we can see the showcase notice that was issued to Shrisen Pharma and its owner Ranganathan a couple of days back. This showcase notice was issued on 7th of October, and this says that the samples of Coldriff that were tested from this particular manufacturing unit, they were found to be of substandard quality, not of standard quality and adulterated. And this showcase notice is demanding an explanation from the company and its owner within the next 5 days. That is, this notice was issued on 7th of October and they want a reply on or before 12th of October. And if the company is failing to provide a satisfactory response, then legal action will follow, is what Tamil Nadu's Food Safety and Drug Administration Department has told in this particular notice. And of course, the latest update in this case is that the Madhya Pradesh police, a team of Madhya Pradesh police, they arrived in Chennai yesterday and now they've arrested the owner of Shrisen Pharma, that is G. Ranganathan. He is a 75-year-old man. He's got arrested by the Madhya Pradesh police now. And if we look at the manufacturing unit of this particular company, it remains locked at the moment.
What are the charges that have been leveled, Dharini? If you can tell us, because he's been denying allegations, saying that the investigations will prove his stance. What are the charges that have been leveled against Mr. Ranganathan?
Through sources, we are given to understand that a culpable homicide is being charged for culpable homicide because the samples of Coldriff that were tested from this particular manufacturing unit, they were found to be having impermissible quantities of diethylene glycol. Diethylene glycol is a toxic chemical substance that will lead to acute kidney failure ultimately, and that diethylene glycol, it was found to be an impermissible limits in that Coldriff sample that was collected from this manufacturing unit. And in fact, let me ask my VJ to show you the inside visuals of this particular manufacturing unit here. I know there is no hygiene at all. If you look at the surrounding looks very pathetic, to be honestly. There is a foul smell that is emanating out of this particular area, and if you look at the manufacturing unit inside, nothing seems to be organized there. It doesn't even look like a facility that is manufacturing cough syrups for children. These syrups, they were prescribed for children, and over 15 children, they've lost their lives in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan because of this particular cough syrup. And this is the location where this cough syrup was manufactured from. If you look at the location, it looks very unorganized and dirty and unhygienic, and this is exactly where the cough syrups were manufactured from. This was the kind of atmosphere that prevailed when the particular cough syrup was manufactured from this company, that is Shrisen Pharma. And if we go behind the building, we could even see burnt tablets, many paracetamol and other tablets. They are being found in burnt
So
condition
samples
behind
of
the
the
company.
Coldrift cough syrup were found to be containing diethylene glycol, which is a toxic poisonous substance beyond the permissible limits. And besides Madhya Pradesh, some deaths that have been also linked to the syrup in Rajasthan. The children are said to have suffered suspected kidney infections after consuming the deadly cough syrup. But the political blame game and the damning inspection report by the Tamil Nadu Drugs Control Department has exposed shocking lapses at the cough syrup manufacturing unit in Kanchipuram. Now, this 26-page report details 364 violations, including rusted and leaking equipment, absence of purified water system, and the use of non-farmer grade chemicals like industrial grade propylene glycol. And also inspectors found unhygienic conditions with filthy insect-fested rooms. That is exactly what Dharani was showing us. And these findings have raised serious questions about regulatory oversight at manufacturing practices at the facility. Now, this inspection report, meanwhile, has recommended cancelling the license of the pharmaceutical company. But when we speak of the blame game, the Health Ministry sources, what we are learning, is now saying that the state drug controllers that govern private companies and the Health Ministry is now holding the state accountable, including the CDS. Data had recommended the cancellation of the license, and it was Tamil Nadu drug controller has now been advised to cancel the license immediately. And unchecked cough syrup production row that seems to have failed, especially when it comes to the state government on acting against despite repeated alerts. Isha, this is a big development through the Health Ministry sources. What we are learning, that there were warning signs, there were alerts, especially when it comes to cancelling the licenses of the said manufacturer. Why wouldn't it happen? Could these deaths of these 20 children be prevented?
Right, Amita. Several questions coming to the fore here because the Health Ministry, from their side, sources inside the Health Ministry have indicated that there were warnings given to states. In fact, they've also sent a letter on the 4th of October from DGCI, CDSO to the FDA in Tamil Nadu. So we have seen ground reports as well from this particular pharma company and the blaring security and safety lapses that are coming to the fore. 364 lapses, Amita, from a single unit raises multiple questions. The Health Ministry has said the CDO has had...
So Health Ministry sources, we are learning that the cancellation too has to be done by the state drug controller despite all of the alerts in question. With the presence of Coldrift, that toxic substance has been confirmed. Please do stay on with us, Isha, because there is a global development being attributed to the children's death in India. The World Health Organization is also said to be closely monitoring the deaths of children that has happened in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and this is linked to the contaminated cough syrup, which have caused these acute renal failure and encephalitis, where WHO has now sought clarification on the deaths and is now offering full support to India. Now, the global body has also warned of possible regulatory gaps and has urged authorities to act swiftly to prevent further tragedies. Isha, update on this also, please.
World Health Organization has now stepped in and they have asked for an update from the Indian authorities. In fact, the CDSO India has in fact responded as well. They have spoken about how the condition is in India. The World Health Organization has also promised full 100% support is also what we have been told. But this does, the World Health Organization has seek clarification as well. In fact, the clusters of pediatric illnesses and deaths reported in India, they should be probed. In fact,
the global body has warned of possible regulatory gaps and has urged authorities to act swiftly to prevent further tragedies. Over 20 children, unfortunately, have lost their lives. Thank you very much, Isha, for that update. But as far as the death toll is concerned, unfortunately, it has gone up. 2 more children are dying because of this deadly cough syrup, this toxic cough syrup. Makran हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए. मध्य प्रदेश से ही पता चल रहा है मकरन, ये जानलेवा कफ सिरप पीने के बाद 2 और बच्चों की मौत हो गई है. क्या ये छिंदवाड़ा में ही रिपोर्ट हो रहा है या अन्य किसी इलाके में? Just getting connected with Makran, as this killer cough syrup seems to have claimed more lives, around 22 children. That seems to be the death toll. Unfortunately, that has now gone up with those children there with this prescribed cough syrup, unfortunately, have fallen prey to this toxic substance. And in Madhya Pradesh, we are looking at 22 children, unfortunately, that have now lost their lives as the death toll has gone up. 2 more children, unfortunately, losing their lives. Mainly what is being reported as far as the cold reef consuming of this deadly medicine is concerned is confined to Chhindwara, but other locations as well in Rajasthan where there has been fatalities that has been accorded to this fatal cough syrup. मकरंद, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, ये जानलेवा कफ सिरप पीने से बताया जा रहा है 2 और बच्चों की मौत हो गई है।
जी, अब जो मौत का आंकड़ा है वो 22 पहुंच गया है और बच्चों की मौत लगातार हो रही है। अभी भी 5 से 6 बच्चे अस्पताल में नागपुर में भर्ती हैं। उनकी हालांकि जिम्मेदारी सरकार लेने की बात कर रही है, लेकिन बहुत बड़ी लापरवाही सरकार की ओर से भी देखी गई, क्योंकि ये आंकड़ा इतना बढ़ जाएगा शायद किसी को अंदेशा इस बात का नहीं था। शुरुआत में 6 बच्चों की जानकारी आ रही थी और धीरे धीरे बढ़ते बढ़ते 22 बच्चे अभी तक 22 बच्चों की मौत हो चुकी है। इस पूरे मामले में सरकार भले ही कार्रवाई कर रही हो, लेकिन जहरीला कफ सिरप पीने से बच्चों की मौत का आंकड़ा लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है और आने वाले दिनों में आशंका है कि इस संख्या और ज्यादा बढ़ सकती है।
ये जो 2 बच्चों की मौत हुई है, ये भी छिंदवाड़ा से आई है सामने?
जी, एक ही ब्लॉक के हैं। जो डॉक्टर प्रवीण सोनी है, पलासिया में इनका एक क्लिनिक चलाते थे। सरकारी नौकरी में होते हुए ये अपना प्राइवेट क्लिनिक चला रहे थे और बच्चों का इलाज कर रहे थे। इन्होंने जो दवा प्रिस्क्राइब की थी वो कोल्ड ड्रिप कफ सिरप जहरीला, उसके अंदर जहरीले तत्व पाए गए। हालांकि इस पूरे मामले में लापरवाही, एक बड़ी लापरवाही जो है वो चेन्नई के पास।
तो और 2 बच्चों का मौत की जो खबर आ रही है, ये आंकड़ा बढ़ गया है। 22 बच्चों की मौत, उनकी जान चली गई है ये जानलेवा कफ सिरप पीने से। धन्यवाद आपका मकरंद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वी आर जस्ट मूविंग ऑन टू अनदर राउंड ऑफ ब्रेकिंग अपडेट। दिस इज कमिंग इन over when it comes to this row of Kannada Big Boss, as the show seems to be resuming. All right, we'll be getting you that breaking update in just a bit, but we have another update that is now coming in as far as when it comes to this drug inspectors who have now been suspended in Tamil Nadu. This is in relation to this cold reef cough syrup and the action that is now being taken in by the authorities. Will be getting you the details because already we are looking at the manufacturing unit chief Ranganathan, who has already been placed under arrest by the Madhya Pradesh police in Tamil Nadu, and on part of drug inspectors, they have now been suspended in Tamil Nadu. All right, Dharni, this update coming in of these 2 drug inspectors who have been suspended in Tamil Nadu.
Well, Health Minister Mahasubramanian just now in a press conference has told that 2 senior drug inspectors, they've got suspended in Tamil Nadu in connection with a cold reef and the Shrishant Pharma company's irregularities. So this is the latest update that we are breaking to the viewers at the moment. 2 senior drug inspectors, they've got suspended by the Tamil Nadu Food Safety and Drug Administration Department for failing to test the quality of a cold reef from this particular manufacturing unit properly. So for failing to test the quality and for failing to ensure good quality of a cold reef medicine from Shrishant Pharma.
So 2 drug inspectors have been suspended in Tamil Nadu. We're looking at this action on ground that has been taking place owing to the deaths of children, which unfortunately has gone up, the death toll to 22. Thank you very much, Tarni, for getting us that live update. We have to head into a quick break.